If you want to delete a contact on an Android phone quickly, the process is simple and only takes a few moments. Whether you are removing an old phone number, a duplicate entry, or a contact you no longer need, Android provides an easy way to manage your contact list. To get started, open the Contacts app from your home screen or app drawer. Once the app is open, scroll through your contact list and tap on the contact you want to remove. This will open the contacts details page where you can view their saved phone numbers, email addresses, and other information. Next, look for the More option, usually represented by three vertical dots located in either the top right or bottom right corner of the screen, depending on your Android device and software version. Tap on it to open additional options. From the menu that appears, select Delete. Android will then ask you to confirm your choice. Tap Move to Trash to complete the action. At this point, the contact is removed from your main contact list but is not permanently erased yet. If you want to permanently delete contacts and free up space, return to the main screen of the Contacts app. Tap the menu icon, typically shown as three horizontal lines in the upper left corner. From the menu, select Trash. Here you will find contacts that have been recently deleted. You can either tap Empty Trash to permanently remove all deleted contacts at once, or choose specific contacts and tap Delete again to remove them permanently. Just like that, the contact is gone, leaving your Android contact list cleaner and easier to navigate.